resin coasters coming up next. I'm so happy how these resin coasters turned out. They're absolutely beautiful. Hi, my name is Soraya and welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. Keep watching to the end to see exactly how I did this. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to do another set of resin coasters. This is my very first attempt, and what I did was just put kind of bullseye, kept adding color, and then the back was this. And I think they turned out so beautifully, so I want to try it again. Now, I just thought I would try, of course, different colors. So this is a warm gold, and this is a brown. It just says brown. This is Pebeo Vitral. This is also, the warm gold was also a Pebeo Vitral. And this is a pearl white liquid acrylic, and it's from FW Pearlescent Daily Rowney. Okay, and I think those are going to work well together. I've already mixed the resin. Lost my words there. Mix the resin together, so this is ready to go. I just have to add the ink to this. Now there's a lot of bubbles, so I have like a big torch. I'm going to try and use that, but I'm wondering if I should remove some of it and go in smaller, but I think I won't. I think I'll add, and they're all about the same amount. So I think I'll go ahead and add the gold. Maybe I will remove some because I don't want as much. I don't know what to do. Well, I'll just go with adding it equally. I don't know exactly how much to add. I'm just eyeballing it. And look at the color. That is beautiful. That's gorgeous. Look at that. That is a beautiful color. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Did that. And then here's the brown. I don't know if you can see me where I am. Here you go. It's a deep color. And it'll be nice with the contrast. Ooh, it's very deep color. Wow. But I think it'll be really nice with the pearl white. Wow. That's a very deep color. It looks almost black. I think I'm going to pour this first so it goes to the edges. And then the pearl white in here. Okay. And let's see how that looks. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. They're gorgeous colors. See that? Look at that color. It is beautiful. They're all beautiful colors. Yeah, and they're mixed well in there. That didn't take long to mix at all. This brown is a little concerning because it's so dark. I'm wondering if I can add a little bit of this pearl white in there. Make it a little bit lighter. Let's see what happens. I don't know if I should have done that, but live and learn, right? Okay, there it is. There's the white coming through and is not as dark. That's quite beautiful too. It has a bit of green in it, looks to me like. Okay, that is not as dark, and that's nice. Okay, so I have this huge torch. I'm gonna try and blow some of the bubbles. Okay, so I'm just gonna do the bullseye effect because it worked so well last time I did it. So I'm going to do that in the middle on each one. And it just keeps spreading. Okay, and there's a lot of shimmer in there because of the gold. Okay, I'm going to turn this on. All right. Careful with that. All right, here is the gold. I think I need a little bit more gold. It's not working. It doesn't seem to be so deep. I'm gonna add them a little bit more. There, that feels and looks better. It was looking too transparent. I hope these colors work well. I can't wait to see the result. Okay. Look at those colors together. Wow, it's changed so much. This one seems to be off over there. Okay, let's do the white. I'm wondering if it's uneven underneath. Just going to put them closer together. Wow. Wow, what a beautiful combination so far. Okay, here we go. This one's still, I'll put a little bit more on this side. Oops. Probably should not have done that. Oh well, it'll be a little bit different. I'm going to put a little bit more white in each of these. That's messy. Oh boy, I am making a mess of these. Okay. So hard to pour nice and straight and even. Okay, and then the last, again, this gold. I'm going to add a little bit more gold. That's all the colors finished, and looks like they're pretty much to the top. Not that one. This one has more. Little less and little, oh, not bad, not bad. Okay, so I think I'm just going to torch them a little bit and let the magic happen. think they're going to be really nice. Look at that ring. Beautiful. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Okay, so here is the big reveal. They are hard to touch, and it's been 24 hours. So I'm just going to remove them, and let's see what the design looks like in the back. Wow, can you see that? That's gorgeous. A little bit of the white there, more white, so it seems that it was off a little bit there. Wow, but that's such a gorgeous design. Let's do this other one. Wow, they still feel a little soft. Look at that. They look so beautiful. This one is more even all around, so none of the dark. Wow, very beautiful. I love the surprise you get each time you unmold these. Look, that's really beautiful. And that's the same as here, just a little bit on the side and lighter here. That's beautiful. And the last one, I think that first one, or this one here, is quite beautiful. Don't always get it all even. There you go, look at that. It is very beautiful. There's a lot of shine to it as well. The white there that had, it's iridescent white, that's what it's called. The iridescent white really made a difference. It is so beautiful, and I'll bring you down so you can see really up close. Here it is, really up close. What a gorgeous design it creates. I guess it's the inks interacting with each other. I'm not sure, because all I did was pour as a bullseye. That's it. And look at this gorgeous design. And you see the shine there? It sparkles. Look at, I think this is so beautiful. I'm very, very happy with these. If you click on the link you see now, you'll see a lot more of my coasters.